Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create an event on Facebook. So for that, in your Facebook you have to be logged in and you have to find the settings or find the option create and click on event. So in desktop you will find in menu option, in mobile you will find it on menu 2. So you have to just click on event from here and you have to select the meeting type. It could be online or in person, and here you have to type the event name. You have to type in the date and the time. You have to select it, and you can publish this event between your friends groups, public, or it can be only people who are invited, and people who are invited can be different from your friends. That's why there is a friend option and there is a private option. So you can select public or whatever your meeting type is, event type is. Then once it has been done, you have to click on next and you have to select location and click on save. But for some reason, if the location name isn't showing, you can type and click on save, and you can click on next again and you can add description. Then you have to click next again and you can upload a cover photo for your event. You can also set the event settings. You can add co-host, or you can show guest list or hide it, and you can also add this option only admins can post in event, or you can give a permission to publics to post comment, but you can also add post must be approved by a host or co-host. So after all this, you can save and you can upload cover photo and you can click on publish event or save as draft. So once you have published your event, it will be live, and you can customize it further from these settings. So that's how you can create an event on Facebook. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.